that's the person.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, no.
Right out of the gate, boom. The judge shuts it down. This is a critical moment. A defendant asking for a new attorney isn't unusual, but here's the catch. When you have a court-appointed attorney, you don't get to shop around. That's not how this works. The court's patience already feels thin, and we're only 5 seconds in.
Just for Joseph Stason, but that's fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Where's your client?
He's in the box.
All right, if you have him come down.
Hey, this guy's doing a victim. Heard about his.
Yeah.
Let's come back in.
Thank you. Thank you. Today's the plea offer day, Judge. We received it. I conferred with my client.
All right, on this case, so an offer was tendered?
Yes, Judge.
All right, and has your client had a chance to speak with the immigration attorney?
We discussed this last time, Judge. The charge is murder, so it
Yes,
doesn't have
we know.
any bearing. It'll be automatic deportation if he's convicted of the charge and then released after his stint in prison and/or probation.
All right, and you have all the discovery?
I have all the discovery. They just finally got the transcript of the translation of the interviews. Is that right?
Now this is huge. The charge is murder, and the judge casually confirms what that means for immigration status. Automatic deportation after serving time. That's not leverage. That's reality. So any plea decision here isn't just about prison, it's about what happens after prison. The stakes just doubled.
Correct.
All right.
So I'll get that. Last time we were here, Judge, my client brought up the issue that he wants another attorney. He's upset with me because I won't file a motion to withdraw. At this point, there's still not a conflict.
Okay, all right, so here's the thing. Mr. Moreno Vasquez, I want you to hear me and I want you to internalize what I'm saying, okay? If you want another attorney,
Here's where things get strategic. The defense attorney is signaling to the court, there's no legal conflict here. And that phrase matters. Because unless there's an actual breakdown in representation, not just frustration, judges rarely grant attorney substitutions. Being upset with your lawyer isn't the same as having a constitutional problem.
you need to hire one. Do you understand?
Yes.
I don't know what the issue you may or may not have with your attorney. Sometimes the issue people have with an attorney is they're not getting the offer. They're not getting the offer that they want. Here's the thing. I've been a defense attorney. I've been a prosecutor. In this court, I require that the state tender an offer to the defense. You can either accept it or reject it. Or you can tell your attorney, I'm accepting it, in which case we will do a plea bargain agreement. Everyone, please whisper.
Thank you, Judge.
If they make an offer and you want to accept it, then we'll do the plea paperwork. You will enter your plea. If they make an offer and you say, I'm not accepting it, then one or two things will happen. Either you go to your attorney and say, I'm not accepting this offer, but I will accept A, B, or C offer. That is what's called a counteroffer. Your attorney will take what you will accept, if that's the case, to the state. And then at that point, the state can say, all right, we will accept the offer that you want, or as we call it, the counteroffer. Or the state will say, we're rejecting that offer, and the only offer we will make you is the offer we...
This is actually a masterclass in plea bargaining. The judge is walking him through negotiation 101. Offer. Acceptance. Counteroffer. Rejection. It sounds simple, but in a murder case, every one of those decisions can mean decades of someone's life.
He made you. Do you understand?
Can I say something? Yes.
If you want to say something about what the state offer is, no, because I'm not allowed to hear that. Plea negotiations are supposed to be confidential unless you're accepting an offer. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you want to talk about the facts of your case, the only way I will hear the facts of your case is if you are entering a plea bargain agreement or if there's a jury trial or a bench trial. Do you understand?
Yes, I just want to talk about my case, that's all.
No, the person you speak to your case about is your attorney.
Okay, sí me lo puedo cambiar, ¿no?
Yes, can you change attorneys or not?
All right, hear me clearly. Abogado, you need to hire one.
Un abogado nuevo usted necesita contratarlo.
I don't know why people think
Que la gente piensa
that when attorneys are appointed to them,
son asignados.
and I mean no disrespect when I say this, it appears to me that sometimes beggars are becoming choosers. If you see somebody who needs food and you offer them a hamburger and they say, no, I want lobster. This is your attorney. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this attorney. If you want another attorney, you need to hire one. Do you understand?
Okay.
Sí, es que como ya tengo tiempo así, nomás, y nunca me he dicho nada, pues, nomás estoy...
Yes, it's been a long time.
Phew. Did you catch that analogy? You're offered a hamburger, but you want lobster. That's sharp. Maybe even controversial. But the judge is making a point. A court-appointed attorney is a constitutional guarantee, not a customizable service.
And he has never said anything to me, so I'm just waiting.
Ya,
Oh, well, here's the thing. You're here, he's here. He can say something to you today. But my question for you is, did you receive the offer? Yes or no?
Sí o no?
no.
No.
All right, so he said, I know. But if you will indulge the court, he's going to tender the offer to you that the state has made.
¿Cuál es la oferta que dice?
When he tenders the offer to you, I want you to internalize it, think about it, and then you will come back before the court and you will let the court know whether or not you're accepting the state's offer. Do you understand?
¿Sí o no, señor?
Sí, lo entendí.
Yes, I understood.
All right. Thank you. You're welcome. All right, on Jose Lozano, is this going to be a long hearing? All right, who do you have with you?
Judge, thank you. Thank you. This is Judge Boyd. Judge Boyd.
And just like that, the temperature drops. The tension dissolves. We move from a murder plea discussion to bar exam anxiety. This is such a human moment. Judges aren't robots, they've lived this process too. But don't miss the contrast. Minutes ago we were talking about deportation and prison. Now we're celebrating potential bar results with Sprite. Courtrooms are unpredictable like that. High stakes, and human moments, all in the same hour.
Again, Sanders.
Hello, hi. So what is your position at the office?
I'm currently a law clerk. I'm awaiting bar results.
Yay. Okay, you're going to do great on the bar.
Yeah, I took it last week, so.
Yay! You know what? When I took the bar, I took it in February. And I don't know why they don't have something where they could at least, I don't know if they still do the multi-state, but at least they should be able to give you those results very quickly. I don't know why it takes so long. Right. And then it got to the point where I was just saying, I don't want to know. Ignorance is bliss. You're just walking around, maybe I passed, maybe I didn't.
Like, I'm okay in this state.
Oh, I'm right now in the state where I'm waking up in sweats because I'm like, I should have written this on the essay. I should have added this.
Yeah. But I didn't find out. That was back in the day where you had to go to the library because nobody had a computer in their room. And I was just asleep in the dorm and people were calling me, you got the results? And it got to the point I said, stop calling me. I don't have the results. Just leave me in peace. And so the person will said, well, fine, Esquire Boyd. I'm like, what? They're like, you passed. I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh. And then,
Yeah, so-
of course, I had all the energy in the world. So we went and celebrated with Sprite. But congratulations. I'm
Thank
going
you,
to
Judge.
congratulate you beforehand because I know you're going to pass.
Thank you, Judge.
I think